Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to apply number filter in Excel. For example, we have taken a sample data in which there are names of the salesmen and here is their sale. For example, we want to know how many salesmen have affected the sale below 30,000. So first of all, to apply a filter, select the data. Suppose, for example, I am selecting this sales data and then go in data tab and here you can see filter. Click on this and here the filter sign will appear here. Now click on this sign and go in number filter and here you can see less than or equal. I will select less than as our condition is to see how many salesmen have affected sale less than 30,000. So here I will write criteria that is less than 30,000 and click on OK. Now you can see there are 4 salesmen who have affected sale less than 30,000. So this is how you can apply number filter in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.